In this part, we will test whether carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. First, leave 2 potted green plants, A and B, in the dark for at least 24 hours in order to destarch the plants. Remember to remove a leaf from both destarched plants and carry out the iodine test to make sure that starch is absent in the leaves. Then, add some soda lime to a watch glass. Soda lime can be used to absorb carbon dioxide. Put the watch glass on the soil next to the destarched potted plant A. Enclose the plant in a plastic bag. Put an empty watch glass on the soil close to the destarched potted plant B. Enclose the plant in a plastic bag. Leave both plants in bright light for about 4 hours. Remove a leaf from both plants and carry out the iodine test on the leaves. What conclusion can you draw from the experimental result?